many people get this wrong. They say things like, I got on a car, I entered the bus, or I got in the bus. But these are wrong in English. And today, I will teach you a very simple rule that is going to fix this mistake forever. By the end of this lesson, you will clearly know when to say get in, get out of, get on, and get off. Stay tuned. The first part, when do we say get in and get out of? So as you clearly might have guessed, we are going to talk about transportation, like car, van, and taxi, bus, plane, train, and bike. We use get in and get out of for small closed vehicles like car or taxi or van. For example, we can say, I got in a car, she's getting in a taxi, please get in the van. Let's say get out of. It means to leave. So we can say, I got out of the car, she got out of the taxi quickly, and they're getting out of the van. So the rule is, if you are inside a small space, you have to use get in and get out of. Let's see, get on and get off. We use get on and get off for public transports or vehicles that we actually step onto. So for example, when we get on a bus, we actually can step onto it. And when we get on a train, still, we can step on it. And we can stand and we can actually walk on it. That's why we say get on a bus, get on a plane, get on a train, get on cycle, or even get on ship. Or we can also say to board a ship, but we can say get on ship. So for example, I got on the bus, she's getting on the train, he got on the plane, and also I can say I get on the bike every morning. And let's use get off in a sentence. I got off the bus at school. She got off the train at the station. She got off the plane safely. He is getting off the bike now. I get off the ship at the harbor. So these are the correct expressions or phrasal verbs that we have to use when we want to talk about transportation that is about a wide or larger space or small enclosed space vehicles. So when the space is small and we can't actually step onto them, we have to use in or out of. But when the space is wider and we can actually step onto them, then we have to say get on or get off. ቦታው ሰፊ ከሆነ መቆም መራመድ የምትችሉበት ቦታ ከሆነ you can say get on and get off. ግን ደግሞ በጣም ጠባብ ከሆነና መቀመጥ ካለባችሁ ውስጥ ከገባችሁ በኋላ you have to say get in and get out of. ከዚህ ቪዲዮ በኋላ ምንም አይነት ግርታ እንደማይኖራችሁ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። ለተጨማሪም እንደዚህ አይነት ቪዲዮዎች ለማግኘት ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁን እንዳትረሱ። በሚቀጥለው ቪዲዮ እስከማገኛችሁ ድረስ መልካም ጊዜ